Hello, I'm Reanne and this is my husband Ben. We sold our business.
Today we've gone to the world's largest outside laundry, which is in Mumbai. It's called Dhobi Ghat. I think that's what all the laundries are called, but it's the only name I could find. It's open 7 days a week, 7 to 8 o'clock. It washes over 100,000 clothes a day, meaning like hotels, restaurants, they do everything. Close to 200 Indian laundrymen wash clothes by hand in row of concrete wash pens called Ghat. Clothes are soaked in Gunsi water, fashioned on the flogging stone and then tossed into a huge vat, boiled and such, and hung out to dry. Next they iron and pile it all neatly into a nice bundle. They have been running for over 140 years.
There's very relaxed atmosphere in there. I mean, you walk in there and there's people walking around in their boxer shorts and kids, loads of kids in there. I think you just bring the kids to work. So
I think people live in there. So.
Saw someone have a shower in there, so yeah, this is definitely what they do. This is their life. So we got called down. One of the workers in there said, "Come down, come down." So we went down, and then someone pulled us to the side and said, "No, you got to pay. You got to pay to walk in here."
Is there visit your tour inside, sir? Is there visit your tour inside?
Yeah, look.
Yeah, no. It's a society rule. It's a charge inside. It's a help.
Charge us.
It's a charge. It's a boat.
Oh, was it?
It's an entry. It's a boat. It's a charge.
Oh, okay.
1 person 300 rupees charge.
300.
Yeah. It's a picture or wrong. Come.
I mean, it was quite expensive. It was like £3 each. I mean, this country, it's a lot of money. It's like a day's wages, isn't it? So we just thought, nah, we'll come back at the shop and we'll take some pictures, but we probably won't walk around in there.
We got some bits while we were in there.
Bits, yeah, we got a little freebie, yeah. So the guy told me there's 5,000 people that work here. So it's got to be, well, I would have thought that. How many people work here?
5,000 people.
5,000 people?
It's
Wow.
a very nice place. It's a picture. It is around.
Yeah. The biggest employer of the city. How cool is this?
ना महीने से पहले रिजल्ट आएगा
इधर लगा बस इधर खाली है ना इधर उधर लगाया अच्छा लगा
सुना
Yeah, I think so. Namaste.
Auto, babu, auto. Hi. Hi, bola hi. तुम्हें पाकिस्तान से बोल यार.
Hi. Well,
You might want to be up front. You got the camera.
yeah. I don't really know where to go. Oh, sorry. Oh, right then.
नो चार्ज अलाउड नहीं है
very nice place. Good tour.
Yeah.
Let them know.
Such a unique, different thing to experience in the city. I'd highly recommend if you come to Mumbai, to come and see the outside laundry. It's amazing, and it's very clean, to be honest, and they look like they're doing like an amazing job. So, and it's really easy to get there. There's like literally a train station right next to it. But now we're gonna go and walk to Starbucks because we've got overnight train tonight, so we have no accommodation. We're with our backpacks for the day. The biggest challenge out here in India is crossing the road because there isn't very many crossings. There might not be any crossings, but you just got to go for it and run.
So we're on our way to the train station, but we haven't eaten yet, so we stopped at a little restaurant called Madras Diaries.
So what I ordered is a dosa, which is a thin pancake originally from South India, made of fermented batter consistent of lentils and rice. Have a little look. It's quite crispy, and it's got like potatoes inside. I've got the masala potato one. Most of the time the dosas come out with dips, and it's normally like a masala curry sauce, and then the other one's like a coconut sauce.
So I've just got a traditional Kerala Southern Indian curry, and they put these dips out as well for the papadams. Ooh. So you can just sort of like...
Ben's not a small dipper, as you can see.
I'm not a small dipper, yeah, but just load up, don't you? Go. Wait for
What I say ready?
Oh, are you ready? Go.
Consistent in. What's that?
No, say that fermented batter again. So, because you made it sound like you read it.
Yeah, I know, but consistency. It's made with. Yeah?
Yep.
It's made with fermented batter. Consistent.
Cigarette. I don't smoke. I don't smoke.
No smoke.
Ask me for a cigarette. I don't smoke.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone? Before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with missing?